All right. Now can you see
Yes, ma'am.
on your screen? Okay. And do you recognize what's on your screen?
I do, ma'am. It's my body cam from that day.
Okay. And the video, have you had a chance to review this before today?
Yes, ma'am.
And is what you reviewed a fair and accurate depiction of what you initially did and saw that morning in the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Judge, what I'm going to ask the court to do is seal this, ask court to admit it as Commonwealth 6, publish it to the jury and the jury only, and I'm going to ask the court to seal this.
All right, any objection to 6? No. All right, 6 in evidence under seal. Okay, thank you, Mr. Carroll.
Now, as I'm playing this, I am going to stop it in places so that we can talk about what it is that we're seeing.
Anybody else downstairs?
Where's the shop person?
Oh, he's downstairs. He's just.
Who else? Just us?
All right, hold down. Somebody hold down.
Okay, here, where are you in the house?
I'm at the bottom of the stairs leading to the second story.
And what do you note about that door that is in front of you, or what did you note about that door?
That it was open and had an exterior lock.
And did you see a light on inside of the door?
No, ma'am.
They're saying one of the patients is outside now.
So somebody's outside. In the back? Anybody else outside? Who else is outside?
Nobody's outside.
Anybody over here?
That's in my room. And here.
Here, ma'am, stay here, ma'am.
Hey.
Stay right here. Who is the shooter? Who shot who?
Brendan, he's an officer.
I got a blowout kit if you need it.
Bring it up.
Is there anyone else in the house? Any kids in the house? Got multiple sevens. Look at those guns.
Ma'am, I need you outside now.
Here, how many unsecured firearms did you note as when you came in?
2.
And I'm going to keep going.
What do you need? Get medics in here now. Scene's cold for medics. He grabbed my arm. Who did? He grabbed my arm when I just heard that money. Okay. Someone get it. Someone get with him. I don't know where he shot at.
Who's that chest wound seal?
I need it from the back right now. You got stabbed by him, so watch him. Guys, chest seal. Now.
We're looking for it, buddy. We're looking for it. Can we get Gauze? Get Gauze out.
Up this way.
Upstairs. I need chest seal on her, and I'm going to put right now.
Just stay right there. Stay right there. There's another one behind you.
Hey, open this up for Ballmer.
Yeah.
I got the other one for him. Okay, go.
Someone check for a pulse for the guy behind me.
Yeah. Zach, go
He's
ahead.
breathing, so.
We got one guy up here, gunshot wound, one female, small mistake.
Here, did you notice the knife as you moved over to where Joe was laying?
I noticed it first whenever I was checking for a pulse on him.
Can someone do this for me?
I don't have anything.
Was that you saying, I don't have anything?
Yes, ma'am.
And what did you mean when you said that?
I was checking for a pulse on the decedent there.
And is that at the point when you noticed the knife?
Yes, ma'am.
And when you were checking for his pulse, what part of his body were you checking?
His neck.
Up this way.
And then the officer that we just saw step on the knife, who was that?
Officer Sefiani.
He's in the bathroom, up here.
I don't have a pulse on him.
He got on the neck.
When you said, I don't have a pulse on him right there, the second time, who are you saying that to?
The other officers there to my left, particularly Officer Saffiani.
And the view that you have of the bed at this point, do you know at this point where the unsecured firearms that you saw when you entered the room?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell us where they are?
They're both laying there at the foot of the bed, basically in the same position as whenever we saw them first on my body cam.
I don't have a pulse on him.
Where's the where's the gunshot wound?
I'm not entirely certain, sir.
Let's check.
The officer here who, that is moving Joe's hands, who is that officer?
It's Officer Saffiani.
And had anyone moved Joe's hands that you saw before Officer Saffiani moved them?
No, ma'am.
Chest.
Okay. Ready? Hold this down. Let's work on her, okay?
Just fucking sit in the tub. Sit in the tub. Just sit in the tub. You need another chest seal?
Yeah, whatever you have.
Whatever you. Hey, get another ALT. Get more blowout kits.
Liberty County Force or me, okay?
Is there anything else that you know?
Carmine Bravo, Preston County Force.
I don't know.
You shot in the head.
Oh, no. Shot in the chest.
It's a lot of blood. It looks like it's probably from a lung.
No need for K9 or helo at this point. K9 10. Yeah,
I don't even know what to do.
Firearm.
Just leave it. Just leave it. Just leave it where it is. All right. Okay.
Yep.
Since we got this, kind of wait for medics, can you talk with him?
I don't have a pulse.
Stand by 1 second.
When you said that time that he did not have a pulse, what did you mean?
I was checking again to confirm that I still did not have a pulse on him, ma'am.
So is that 3 times that you took a pulse?
I believe so, at least.
And that last time, were you also checking his neck?
Yes, ma'am.
Medics expediting, or where are they at?
I can feel him. Guys. Hey, do you have a pulse on him?
No, not at all. What do you need?
Good.
Multiple stab wounds on her.
Yeah. Go ahead and start going. Start going.
Who's most viable, you guys know?
She is. Alright. Multiple stab wounds to the neck.
Thing, to the right, we have a pulse, multiple stab wounds, to the left, you hear the CPR with gunshot wound.
Alright. Who's still breathing?
We're here.
Don't know if it's one on the left side. Okay.
So she's still breathing?
We can feel blood moving.
We can see her. You can stop him if you're on. Yeah, we're gonna get her.
He's gonna be way over there. Yeah, this. Is he breathing over here?
Where are the unsecured firearms in the room at this point?
They've been moved onto the opposite side of the bed from me.
And is that where they were when you left the room, if you recall?
Yes, ma'am, to the best of my knowledge.
Zach, grab him, take him downstairs. I can't feel a pulse. You can't feel a pulse? It's hard to feel. Are you hurt? Stand by. Sorry. Nope, there's no pulse.
Nothing. There's nothing.
What do I need?
I think that guy's gonna be definitely DOA for this shot. I mean, we can. I think that might be obvious over there. Just no pulse over here.
Oh.
What do you want to do? You want to grab that, Joe?
This is his house, that's his wife. Don't know who this is.
All right, that's fine. You want to get a rhythm on that?
Yeah. You want to? I got the monitor. It's right there behind you. You have it? Okay. All right. So where's? Grab the guy out there. Get it down. Don't sway. This is not bombers.
There was 2 on the bed when I came in.
Okay, this one's got blood on it. So stay with him. He might. I'm not sure if he doesn't know.
I'm gonna wait till we're done.
You don't know that guy? No.
He's the shooter.
Yeah.
I know. I'm just trying to figure out where's the gun currently.
On the bed.
Firearms right here.
Leave them right where they are. If that's where we found them.
We moved them away.
All right, that's fine.
They were on the Bodycam though. We have a knife right there.
You guys are good.
Yeah.
Hey Sarge.
What's up?
Do you want us to escort him outside?
Yeah, right now they're working, so we're gonna be.
So, hey, I'm not sure. We're not working. Bob, I'm getting him out. Fuck, she can do that.
So once they, is she
All right.
gonna be okay? We're gonna let them work for a minute.
Want to move her and go? Yeah, let's just move her and go. All right.
Get you downstairs.
All right, we're gonna move you. She can do
Very close to that. Slow them down.
Got a knife here.
Yeah. Is there kids down there? Zach? Kids around the way. Kids are outside. We're gonna clear the rest of the house.
Okay, someone's gotta go with them.
Okay.
You guys want me to go with them?
If you want to go with it, that's fine. Zach, stay here.
All right.
You're with me. We're gonna check the rest of the house.
What are we doing here?
He's just saying, we're gonna make sure no one else is hurt in the house.
Okay, all right. We're gonna get husband downstairs.
Okay. How long did you stay in that bedroom after Christine Banfield was removed from the bedroom?
A couple of minutes at the most.
And where did you go when you left the bedroom?
Outside,
And who was with you?
Officer Hugh and Mr. Banfield.
And where did you go with them?
Initially, we walked outside, allowed the first ambulance to leave, and then Mr. Banfield was taken into a second ambulance.
And what was the purpose of taking him to the ambulance?
Just to check on him, make sure that he didn't sustain any injuries that we weren't aware of.
And did he receive a medical evaluation while he was in the ambulance?
The medics did check him out, again, look for any injuries or anything that we might have missed initially.
And what, if anything, did you do while you were with him in the ambulance?
I searched Mr. Banfield.
Okay. I'm going to show you Commonwealth's 9A, and I'm going to ask that it be displayed only to the witness and to counsel. Do you recognize these items depicted?
Yes, ma'am.
And how do you recognize them?
They were some of the items that I collected from Mr. Banfield.
And can you describe what they are?
It's 2 handgun magazines, a set of handcuffs, and a watch.
And do they appear in this photo in the same or similar condition to what you saw them in on February 24th, 2023?
Yes, ma'am.
Judge, at this point in time, I'm going to ask to admit Commonwealth's 9A. And this can be,
Sorry. No objection and publish?
it can be published to
Yeah.
the jury.
All right.
When you receive these items, what'd you do with them?
I placed them in a bio bag, is what we call it. It's a plastic bag from the paramedics.
And who'd you give them to after you packaged them?
I relinquished them to the detectives that arrived at the hospital.
Did you take anything else from him during this search?
Yes, ma'am. 2 cell phones as well as his jacket.
And the jacket, did that just pass through your hands to Officer Hugh?
Correct.
Did the defendant make any statements in the ambulance about the firearms that you had noted in the house?
Yes, ma'am.
And what did he say?
He claimed ownership of them.
Did he distinguish between the two of them in any way?
Yes, ma'am.
And how was that?
He said the one firearm was his duty weapon, essentially, and the other, the Glock 43X, is his personal weapon.
Okay. And the duty weapon, was there anything that he noted about the duty weapon to distinguish it?
It had a flashlight on it, a TLR, I don't remember the exact model number.
Did he have blood on his hands when he was in the ambulance?
Yes, ma'am.
Where did you go next with the defendant?
When we were in the ambulance, it transported us to Reston Hospital.
And when you arrived at the hospital, did he still have blood on his hands when you escorted him into the hospital?
Yes, ma'am.
Was he handcuffed when you escorted him into the hospital?
No, ma'am.
Was he handcuffed at any point that morning?
No, ma'am.
Did the defendant make any statements about his daughter while you were with him in the hospital?
Yes, ma'am.
What did he say?
I believe he said something about her being 4 years old.
And what, if anything, did you see him do while you were in the hospital room with him?
He washed his hands.
And before he washed his hands, had anyone swabbed his hands to preserve samples of blood that were on his hands?
No, ma'am.
Why'd you let him wash his hands?
I felt bad for him blowing his nose and wiping his face with his bloody hands.
And what, if anything, did you do next?
I assisted with anything the detectives needed on scene, and then went back to maintain scene security for the residents.
Okay. I am going to show you a few still pictures that are Commonwealths 7, 8, and 9. And if I could have them displayed just to the witness.
Can we
And
make it 9B since you have a 9A?
oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. I meant for them to be, yes, it can be 9B, but I had them as 9 and then 9A, and I just took 9A first, but that's fine.
We don't yet have a 9. There is a 9. It's 9 and 9A. She skipped to 9.
Okay. I
Yes.
got you. All right,
Yep.
so 9 we'll have.
Yep.
That's fine. Thank you.
So this picture is Commonwealth 7. I'm going to show you Commonwealth 8 and Commonwealth 9. Do you recognize these photos?
Yes, ma'am.
And how do you recognize them?
They're still images from my body cam.
Okay. Judge, I'm going to ask to admit Commonwealth 7, 8, and 9. They're still photos from the officer's body cam.
Okay, just a minute.
And 8 and 9 should be under seal.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so any objection, 7, 8, 9? So 7's admitted, 8 and 9 are admitted under seal.
Yes.
Okay.
And if we could publish 7 to the jury? And this view, is this a view of the door as you saw it coming around, coming into the house at first?
Yes, ma'am.
And this view here, is this the view that you had, the first view that you had of the defendant when you came into the room?
Yes, ma'am.
Could you tell what was on his hands here?
It appeared to be blood.
And this view here, what is this view?
It's a view of Officer Seffiani stepping on the knife.
Thank you. Judge, I don't have any further questions at this point for the officer. Mr. Carroll may have some questions for you.
Cross-examination?